Hello one and all our viewers, I am Himanshu Paliwal back with one more GD video, that is Chinese app ban in India, pros and cons. But before I initiate this session, I want to draw attention of all our viewers. Nowadays, our viewers giving us a positive feedback as well as I can say honest feedback, because we guys also are learner. Okay, if you want us that we have to improve on that level, we have to work hard on that particular point, so just write that points in our comment section also, so we can improve this. Okay, so I think so it's right time to start the GD. So directly going from Chaitanya side, Chaitanya, what do you think?
Hey everyone, this is Chaitanya and today I am going to favor pros on this topic. My first point is that for the sake of our national security and the privacy, it will protect the privacy and secure the personal data of the Indian citizen from going to the wrong hands. And several reports came into the existence about some mobile apps available on Android and iOS platform that they are stealing and transferring the personal data and selling to the personal server to the other countries. And my second point is that vocal for local.
Amazing.
This is an golden opportunity for the Indian techies and the entrepreneurs to fill this gap and lead towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat. And it will not only reduce the India's digital dependency on a China, but it will also generate the revenue which will ultimately contribute to the GDP.
Absolutely.
That's all from my side. If you have any query, you can ask me.
You spoke amazingly, but I have one question. To ban anything, is this solution only?
Yes, it is one of the solutions to ban apps, because we can't compromise with our national security and the sovereignty of our India.
Okay, so first of all, my warm greetings to all. This is Nisha Kaushik and I'm going to share some points which one is not given yet. So my first point says, India has banned more than 200 apps and there are lots of people who depend on this app to earn money and now they are jobless. So what to do? And second point says, there are few companies who manufacturing in India and they totally depend on China to get raw material. But now China has stopped to give raw material, so it completely impacted companies. And my third and last point is credibility, investors, wages, all are affected by this small decision of the government.
Okay, you spoke very nicely. I want to ask one question to you, that do you really think that job is more important than the national security? What do you think?
No, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Security is also important, but I'm just telling about those people who are starving. Because of now in this condition, in this pandemic condition, people are dying without food and medicine. And to stop and ban the apps, now we are stopping earning money and we are stopping the source of income.
Okay.
But now I have one more questions from you. What about the FDI? What do you think about it? And how will you justify it?
Okay, you are talking about the foreign direct investment.
Exactly.
Okay, then India, it's not completely depend on the China. Many countries are in a pipeline to invest in India. And you were talking about we get the cheapest material. Okay, so we can get the cheapest material from other countries also.
Okay, but now I'm just telling you one thing. As we all know, China is cheaper country than other countries, and now all the companies who are taking material from them, they are used to take material, they become habitual because of there are so many benefits along with the transport, wages and all the things we can take easily, and we have good relations also with the China. So what?
Okay. Ma'am, you spoke really very nicely. Your points are also good. Chaitanya sir, you also speak tremendously. 2 points which I came from your points. First point is of FDI, which is a very good question asked by Nisha ma'am. And about the Atmanirbhar Bharat and national security, your point is also amazing. Guys, you can also discuss same like as we are doing. Because whenever you discuss in a productive manner, then definitely your communication skills will increase. If you want to join this GD, then write your points in a comment section also. And what's your question regarding to this topic, is it a very good decision taken by government or not? So write the question also to get the proper answer or appropriate answer. So finally, you both spoke very nicely. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. If you like our video, then share this to your family members and friends also. And if you want to join our live GD classes, then contact on a given number. Thank you so much, guys. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.